We define our high potential talent as those employees who passionately, note the word passionately, live our mission, our purpose, and demonstrate our values every day. We need an individual, a leader, or a high potential individual to demonstrate those values and passionately live those values, as I mentioned, to help drive our culture forward. And if we don't take the time to identify those individuals and grow those individuals at our company, somebody else is going to snatch them and somebody else is going to do it. And obviously there's a cost of turnover as well. So that's why we believe in really growing our own. You know, for us, it's really all about the future, right? If you don't have the right talent in place, how is your organization ever going to grow and develop into the future? By identifying them, we're being purposeful in ensuring that our business can continue to grow and be successful. Both the business as well as the high potential individual are going to benefit from that purposeful development. You know, the business is prepared for the future, like I mentioned, but I really firmly believe that the employee benefits as well. They get to grow, they get to develop, they get to take on larger roles, they get to learn new things.